Do you know that steam inhalation helps treat a cold? Steam inhalation is a fantastic way to relieve nasal congestion and soothe irritated airways. Adding eucalyptus oil enhances the benefits due to its antiviral and decongestant properties. To start, boil some water and pour it into a large bowl. Then add a few drops of eucalyptus oil. Place a towel over your head and lean over the bowl, inhaling the steam deeply for about 10 minutes. By doing this, it helps loosen mucus and improve breathing. Like and subscribe to our channel to see more health, wellness, and fitness videos.